Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in capital.com account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in capital.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of capital.com. You'll be able to find several options over here. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on the option sign up and sign up for your account. If you want to log into your account, click on the option login that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log into your account. You'll be able to find various login methods over here. You'll be able to find the option for continuing with email, or you can also continue with Google, Facebook or Apple. So simply click on the login method that you use while creating your account. If you want to continue with your email address, what you have to do is click on the field of email address and enter your email address over here. Make sure to enter the registered email address. After you enter the email address, simply enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, you can click on the option continue and you'll be logged into your account. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in capital.com account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.